The truth about aluminum foil pans and your health.
Hello, health enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a topic that you've probably wondered about. Are there any health risks associated with using aluminum foil pans for baking? We'll discuss the science behind this, what the experts say, and how you can make informed decisions about your baking practices.
Is aluminum ingestion harmful?
The concern about aluminum pans is primarily about the potential for aluminum to leach into your food. Aluminum is indeed a neurotoxic metal that has been associated with certain neurological diseases when it is ingested in large amounts over a long period. However, it's important to note that aluminum is also naturally present in many foods and our water supply, and it's typically excreted by the kidneys. It's only in extremely high concentrations that it can become a problem.
Can baking with aluminum foil pans increase ingestion?
The big question is, can baking with aluminum pans significantly increase your aluminum intake? The answer, according to research, is a conditional yes. Aluminum pans can leach some of this metal into food, especially when cooking acidic foods like tomatoes or citrus-based recipes. However, the amount of aluminum that leaches is typically very small and usually falls well within the guidelines set by the World Health Organization for safe aluminum intake.
What do the experts say?
Despite these findings, most health and food safety experts agree that the occasional use of aluminum pans or foil is unlikely to pose any health risks. Regular, high-quantity use might be more concerning, especially if you're cooking acidic foods. However, even in these cases, the risk is considered to be quite low.
What can you do?
If you're still worried about the potential risks of aluminum, there are alternatives you can use. Consider using glass, ceramic, or stainless steel cookware. If you need to use aluminum pans, avoid cooking acidic foods in them. These simple steps can help you reduce potential aluminum exposure while still enjoying your favorite baked dishes. In conclusion, while there's some potential for aluminum exposure when using aluminum foil pans for baking, the risk is generally considered minimal and within safe limits. However, if you're concerned, you can always opt for alternative cookware materials. Remember, the key to health is moderation and balance, not just in what we eat, but also in how we prepare our food. Stay informed, stay healthy, and happy baking.